Well, hello everyone. This is Jimmy Glam. I'm going to show you how to do the ombre lipstick that a lot of people have asked me about, and it's disappointingly easy to do. So I figured I'll show you guys how to do it, and yeah, you'll see how easy it is. You just really need the correct products to do it with, and whatever products work for you, that's fine. But I'll be showing you the ones that I used for the last time I did it because it makes it a lot easier for people who have actually bought this already. And the products I'm using right now, I'm using Black Radiance for both of them. Blackout's the one I use for the black. And Purple Madness is the one I use for the purple. Now, I wanted to find a blue one to use because I have new hair, I have blue eyeshadow. I wanted to look nice and match, but didn't work out that way, but it's fine. Okay, super duper easy to do. So the first thing you do, use the purple. Just put it on the inside of your mouth or closer to like the inside of your lips and just blend it in a little. I'm going to be looking over here because the camera's right here, but the video's right here so I can actually see myself. It'd be weird to look in the mirror and try to do it. So why am I over explaining this? It's a lipstick thing. Let me just get it out the way. So I'll just put it on the middle. Blend it together. Because I have huge lips, I have to really get in there sometimes. Oh crap, I got lipstick on my teeth maybe. It's okay. So, I need to put a little bit more at the top. Look over here, get a better view. There it goes. Now, just line it around with the black. Using my phone to actually film this and use as a mirror is actually harder than I thought. Wow, I'm doing bad. Okay. I'm going to go off to the side and do this because it's a better view, but you get the idea. Just a line around it. And yeah, it's lying around. Looks ridiculous. Until there he goes. It's all coming together. After I'm done with that, I take the purple or whatever primary color you're using and add a little bit more at the top because I have huge lips and I need to blend it a little better. There it goes. Super easy. Kind of disappointingly easy, but I figured a lot of people ask me how I do it, so I figured I'll just go ahead and make a video so you can see how easy it is. And some people use, do I have any on the side? Let me clean up a little. I'm getting some of the excess black off. There it goes. I just clean around my lip a little. Perfect. So yeah, that's how I do it. It's super easy. You can do it with liner, line around it. A lot of people do that. That's fine too. But I prefer to use lipstick because I think it works a little better, and it gives a better pop to it. So yeah, thumbs up. You guys take care.